Okay, so this is my new channel, I guess. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to make a cross-server staff chat command. Um, this is not going to be a um, basic walkthrough. Um, I'm going to expect you to have some basic programming knowledge, at least like 1 or 2 years of Java and Kotlin. Because this tutorial is in Kotlin, um, I'm going to be using my um, library for synchronizing. The library can be found on my GitHub. It's called Honey. Um, you can use it for synchronizing data and storing data. Um, there are some example usages in here. Um, okay, so let's get started. Like usual, we make the main class. We make it extend Java plugin. Okay, here's our onEnable method. So with my um, library, we're gonna wanna do data handler with connection pool. This is basically like a connection pool is like you have a connection pool which contains like the credentials of the connection. So for example, for redis, you have several types of connection pools. You have no auth redis connection pool, password, and password user. For this tutorial, we're going to be using this. Um, Basically, you can just do this, and then port is 6379. These are also default values, so you don't have to do this. That's why I'm removing it right now. Um, then we can do link type to ID. Um, this, we're not going to use this for this video. I'm just showing this. For example, you can do link type to ID string and then the ID. Basically, what this does, it links string. If we make a data store type or a synchronization type, it will automatically use this ID if no ID was provided. Um, but we don't need this for this video. So basically, we can just remove that. Okay, now we're going to make the command. Staff chat command. We can make this command executor. Basically, this is our command. You should already know how this works. For this video, we're going to return if the executor is not a player. Oh, like this. Basically, we're just going to do color red. You may only execute this command as a player. Then return true. Return true at the end as well. Okay, so now basically we can just do data and actually, yeah, data handler publish. We can, this is going to be the message, and then staff chat. We do not have to provide this. This has to do with the link type to ID, this thing. Um, if the ID is linked, you can just leave this and just do this. But since you can have several types with a string, you probably don't want to do that. So unless you are sure you're only going to have one type which uses a string, I recommend just providing the channel. Okay, so basically, player name is sender name. Default message is args joint to string. So now we can just do, wait, I'll just do it right here. We can do player name sad message from bucket. I forgot what it's called. This is not it, but I'll just do it like that for now. For this tutorial, you can, for example, make this configurable. Up to you. Basically, this publishes the staff chat message across all connected plugins or all connected Redis instances. I'm just going to make the subscribing thing in here since I don't really have anywhere else to do it. I could do it here, but I'll just do it right here. We can do create pub subtype, string, data store type Redis since we're using Redis. As you can see, these are both null. This is because they don't support PubSub, currently only Redis. We're going to provide the channel. Again, this has to do with the linked chapter ID. We can do this. This is basically the body where we're handling the incoming message. So the message is it. We can book get online players, filter it has permission, staff chat for each it send message, get color translate color codes it. Basically, message because it's the name is shadowed by it of the player. So this should be fine. Set executor staff chat command. Oh, okay. Didn't know that. Don't really use bucket command API anymore, but that works. This is just some basic stuff. This is just a basic plug in the YML. We need this. You should know this. Like I said before, this is not really for beginners. So this should now work. I'm quite sure. I'm going to pause the video and set up a server. So I'll be right back. I'm probably not going to cut this out because I already have a server. Didn't know that. There you go. Just going to open up Minecraft. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't have Redis opened. Wait, let me open Redis. Um, Give me a second. Oh, the port is wrong. I'm gonna have to change this in my API after this video. Okay, as you can see, the plugin loaded. You can see it's showing all of that. If we do this, it should exactly say this. This is, of course, because I'm returning if the sender is not a player. So now we're going to wait for Minecraft startup. Okay. I don't have up, I don't think. Oh, I do. So we can basically start chat. Okay. As you can see, the message is empty because I didn't say anything. But if I say, hey, from the server, you can see it said this. So now this is only this one instance, obviously. For further testing, we're going to copy the spigot and the plugins to go. Don't mind the name, it's just use a server for something else. Java jar spigot. I'm gonna have to change the port, obviously. Port is 2566. This should now be, wait, did I close it? Okay. Oh, it was still bound to the wrong port. Okay. We can now start it. Okay, give me just a second. Okay. Did it start now? Okay, it's starting. Okay, to test this properly, we're probably going to have to remove this check because I can't be on two servers at the same time. Did I stop the server? Okay. We can now update this. We don't have to update the other one just for convenience. Okay. Let's see. Okay. As you can see, this is a different server. There's no players on there, and it's working. Um, so yeah, as you can see, this is just a simple synchronization. We're synchronizing this message through Redis. This is just a local Redis server. As you can see, um, it's working rather well. It's so far like I said in the beginning of the video. If you know how to code, you'll know how to change this. And you should be able to make something yourself using this library, and this tutorial should help you if you don't know how. So basically, that's it for today. Not sure if I'm going to make any other videos. I was just bored and I couldn't sleep, so I decided to make this. Um, so yeah, hope you guys have a great day and peace.